What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know why I have that much energy, but I am driving to our next destination, part 2 of this POV street photography kind of thing. I got a fresh cut. Go check out Jenny over there. But I'm not going to talk much because I am on a race to get to the destination, this actually massive bridge that like has a beautiful look to it. But yeah, I am trying to race there, get there before the sun fully comes up. I should have left about 20 minutes early, but I was struggling to wake up because it's been a long time editing a new video that you will see before this one. But like I said, thank you so much to like the 1,000 views that right now on the first POV style that I did. I hope to be able to showcase, another one and show the full POV and yeah, have that one blow up. Because yeah, it's crazy. But gonna race, get there, and see y'all when we get there. We have made it, or I don't know why I'm saying we, because there's nobody around here this early Sunday morning. And I got my little strap here. I didn't really figure out a way to, not be able to... I didn't find a better way to set it up, but I am looking at it this week or tomorrow actually, because it is Memorial Day weekend. And yeah, I can't wait to get out here. This bridge is looking crazy awesome. But yeah, we are out here solo. So this is a solo POV of this bridge. It's probably going to be a little quick one because there's not much, to take of it besides just taking a picture of a bridge with me walking down the middle and get some cool little shots. So yeah, sit back, watch this camera, and let's get some pictures. So going solo B-roll. Never done it before, so yeah, this is different. I'm just talking to my little gimbal that's on my shoulder, being a little crazy person. Hopefully there's only one person that's probably standing there right now. Holy crap, this is gorgeous. What the hell? I hear a car coming this way. I haven't taken any pictures. I want to try to get some movement in the shot. Oh, there he is. Keep on coming, keep on coming. Let's see here. We'll see how that looks. So my go-to ISO right now is 100 to 400. That's my go-to until the sun comes up even more. But I hope it doesn't, because this looks like a dreamland over here. Like, holy crap. Let's see if we can get some landscapes and do some cool, carousel, like 3 pictures on 1 picture, if that makes sense. Beautiful. I was supposed to record this video yesterday, but it was so foggy and cloudy. I'm glad I waited. Oh wow, that fog coming out of there. Sorry, you can't really see. There we go. I don't know if my little gimbal can pick up the fog, but that, holy crap, looks freaking gorgeous. Like, put my other lens on, so hopefully I can like capture it. Or I can bring the fog up in Lightroom. Really outshine this. Ooh, wow, holy crap. Oh, I'm gonna tell you all about this big boy lens later on. Hopefully I didn't just give it away, but this lens right now, second time putting it on. Recently got it this week. Oh, this looks crispy. Oh, this looks amazing. I'm about to set up my tripod to try to get me walking down this road with my Michelob Ultra, like real fake shirt. And, you know, it's a campaign that they ran for a organic, if it's real or not. But check them out. I'm sponsored by them. I do some work for them. But yeah, holy crap! There's a van down there. Can you not see that? I guess you can't. But there's a van down there. I'm going to try to isolate it and get a cool picture going on. Okay. Where's that truck? There it is. Holy crap, that's so clean and clear. Got it so far. But I'm about to hurry up and get this on the gimbal and get a shot real quick before it gets crazy busy. So I'm getting my settings up. I'm in the middle of the road. I have one vehicle pass by so far. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am trying my best to get this bucket shot of mine. Actually, we're gonna have to go way further back than I thought. Sorry I didn't talk much, but I'm trying to get this money shot. So, now let's go up in the air and fly my drone, get some cool like drone shots, and hopefully get some aerial pictures. So yeah. So I'm gonna try also, I know it's not like a point of view kind of video, it is, but I'm gonna try to get some shots with the sun shining bright, like a diamond, and get some like lighting on the logo and stuff like that. But you need to pick you up a organic cotton sweater, because this thing's so soft and comfy, so we'll see. Place you like right here, and hopefully I don't lose my gimbal. Actually, let's just place you right here. Yeah, there we go. That's wide enough. Oh, okay, this is safer. Yay! I'm not gonna jump, I swear. there's a vehicle. There's a vehicle. Alright, I missed it open. Come on, come on.
Morning.
Morning. That is a wrap, everybody, with this second POV. Not street photography, but yeah, you know what I mean. Just a POV, just taking photos of this amazing bridge. Got some cool drone shots of me running across and whatnot, so hopefully you like them. Wait 1 second, motorcycle's about to pass. But anyways, that is it. I'm going to head home. Actually, probably stop and get some coffee, head home, and then hang out with family, do some work with this new video, and then probably on this video to just get it over with for next week. But yeah, it was great experience to just, you know, just do it by yourself. Not a lot of like really that you can take a picture of, unless, you know, oh, that's harsh light, unless you fly a drone up and get, you know, the whole landscape and stuff. So hopefully you like it. Like, subscribe, and see y'all in the next video. Bye. Oh, one other thing that I just noticed when I got my keys out of my car. I don't care, but it's stupid because there's no power lines or anything, but this thing right here. Oops, sorry. All right.